Hey YouTube, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to replace our tail lamp on a Mitsubishi Outlander. Doesn't matter what year it is. If your Outlander look like this, it's going to be the same procedure. So don't ask me what year it is. As long as your car look like this, it's going to be the same procedure. So we're going to go ahead, open the trunk. So once we open the trunk, we're going to get access to a Phillips screw right here and another Phillips screw right here. So once we remove those two, we want to hold it like this and rock it and pull it towards the rear of the car.
That light aftermarket $240 something. Aftermarket. How much?
So guys, this is the new lamp right here. So what you can do is just take these out. Take these out. And the reason why you're taking this out is like a shortcut. Alright. So what I just squeezed on the inside was this little part right here. So you squeeze that and unplug it. We're going to do the same thing for this one right here. And the reason why I do it like this is for not to go on the inside to take down the panel. So just like that. The reason why we're changing it because of this. So plug that in. Set this. Line that up. So one more thing guys, when I put it in, it feels kind of iffy, but the o-ring is missing, so you want to get the o-ring and that will make it tight again. So o-ring right here. There you go. Same thing for this one right here. Let me give you a closer look on this one. Let me give you a closer look to what I'm talking about. You can see the rubber right here. Just peel that off. Put it on your new socket. So this. So once we get that on, we're gonna so now we need to line up these tabs right here. One right here, one right here, this right here, and this right here. So now we're going to test the light, make sure the light works. So you can see the LED came on. That's good. We're gonna try the brake light. Brake light work, and also our turn signal work, guys, so that's good. The reason why I do it like this is because I didn't want to take off the panel to get on the inside to unplug this wire right here, so that's why I do it like that. So that's it for this one, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.